Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see the topic of projection of a vector. So, projection of a vector. Now, we are going to project one vector over the other vector. See here, we are having A vector here and B vector in this direction. Now, I am going to project this A vector over the B vector. Projection of A vector on B vector. If it is like this, projection of A vector on B vector, then the answer will be A cos theta. A cos theta. If I am projecting the vector B over the A vector, then the output will be B cos theta. Okay, so projection of A over B, in the sense we are having A cos theta. Projection of B over A, we will get the B cos theta. Here, see here carefully, we are having cos theta. What does this cos theta represents? In our last video, we have seen how this cos theta came. Generally, in a right triangle, we are having 90 degree over here, and we are having hypotenuse here, and this is our theta. Right? So if it is a theta and this is one vector and this is one other vector and this is in third vector or hypotenuse, we can say. So I just want to see here, I just want to project this vector over here. So adjacent direction is A. So A cos theta we are getting. Okay. If it is B, then we get as B cos theta. Now see, A dot B is equal to AX into BX plus AY into BY plus AZ into BZ. These are the components. See here, the dot product. So AB cross theta. So generally the dot product will form the angle between A vector and B vector will be 90 degree. See here carefully, 90 degree. So the projection will be around 90 degree. So the dot product or the scalar product of any two vector can be thought of as the projection of one onto the direction of other. ஸோ டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் இல்லைன்னா ஸ்கேலர் ப்ராடக்ட் அப்படின்றத எப்படி சொல்லுவோன்னா ஒரு வெக்டாருடைய ப்ரொஜெக்ஷனை அடுத்த வெக்டாருடைய சேம் டைரக்ஷனில் நம்ம வச்சோம் அப்படின்னா அதை வந்து டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் இல்லைன்னா ஸ்கேலர் ப்ராடக்ட்னு சொல்கிறோம். Else we can say it as the two vectors are traveling in the same direction. As we can say it as how parallel the two vectors are. So these are the entire definition of dot product or scalar product. Okay. Here the projection is 0. See, this is your derivation. A vector is given, B vector is given. Now I am going to multiply these two vectors. So AX I cap plus AY j cap plus AZ k cap. Likewise, here I and I vectors are going to be multiplied. So AX into BX. See here, this is the major vector identity. That is, I dot j is equal to 0, I dot k is equal to 0, j dot k is equal to 0. If two directions are different, then it will be 0. When two directions are perpendicular to each other, so perpendicular in the sense they are forming 90 degrees, so the projection angle will be 0. If two directions are same, then these vectors will be traveling in the same direction. That is, they are parallel to each other. If they are parallel, I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, and k dot k is equal to 1. Okay. Likewise, we are getting this final expression. So this is the entire derivation for dot product. This is your cross product. See, angular momentum. What does mean by angular momentum? This is the formula for angular momentum. L vector is equal to R vector into P vector. Torque, tau vector is equal to R vector into F vector. So this into symbol represents the cross product. The cross product can be solved by the determinant form. Okay. So determinant A cross B vector is equal to AB sin theta. Generally, the cross product of two vectors says how perpendicular they are. Dot product says how parallel they are, but the cross product says how perpendicular those two vectors are. Okay. So direction perpendicular to A vector and B vector. So according to right hand thumb rule, we already know the right hand thumb rule. This is your x, this is your x, and this is your y, right? Okay. See here, this is our determinant expression. How we are solving? It is somewhat tough. Okay. Here I am considering same two vectors, A vectors and B vector. Now we are going to find the cross product. Cross product in the sense I, j, k. Here we are having A vector and here we are having B vector. Likewise we have to find the determinant. So after finding the determinant, we are getting the final expression. That is the final output or final derivation, third output of the cross product. Okay. So in vector multiplication we are having two types. One is scalar product or dot product and other one is vector product or cross product. Okay. In an upcoming session we will see this topic in detail. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you are having any doubts, do comment in the comment box. Thank you.